Actually, let's go and have a chat to our top qualifier. He qualified P1. Let's see if he's very good at doing his signature. Yeah, so far so good. There's a D. I can read it. That is a very smart looking autograph. He's quite slow, but, you know, precise. Just like his driving.
Yep, that's right.
So, mate, hey, it's a good position to start coming in, P1.
Yeah, no, really happy, you know. It's our third time in the car this season, and, you know, we're slowly coming to grips with the car and making more and more progress with setup and just becoming at one with the car. So we're pretty pleased and pretty excited with how it's going. We got a little bit of a slip up in practice. We actually hurt the diff, so we've had to pull it apart and have a look and see if we can rectify it. So fingers crossed that we actually make the first battle.
Now the baddie, you said you're not coming back. I noticed it's been back here this weekend in Taupo.
Yeah, my dad had a bit of a skid in it yesterday and on Friday, and we actually had an acquaintance or a new member of the team that's come over from Europe, who's a bit of a steering expert, and he's managed to fix the RX-7. I actually went out for a go on it on Friday and was just over the moon with how it's handling. So if worst case scenario, if something does go wrong in the BMW in practice, you know, for the rounds, we can wheel out Leroy and it's all good to go now. So Dad's going to have a bit more of a go on it, and we'll get him more up to speed, and hopefully he can campaign and do a couple of rounds in Pro-Am. And just, you know, show these young guys that an old, you know, mid-60-year-old can stand on the gas and haul.
Now, of course, we had Ginger, Leroy. What's the name?
I don't know. We're still struggling. You know, I was sort of thinking it was Billy. We still haven't. It sort of hasn't. I don't know whether it's a boy. I don't know whether it's a girl yet. We're just sort of still coming to grips with what we're going to call it. You know, it's a bit of an animal. So yeah. It's unusual. Normally I can name a car straight away, but I'm actually struggling to find a name for the BM at the moment.
Well, did you hear that? If you log on next week to Daden's Facebook page, and you're going to go in to win a hot lap with Daden to help him name the BMW.
Sounds good. Yeah, cool.
Sounds good. Only with STM on the pit walk. Okay, mate, very best of luck going forward. We'll go and see if we can catch up.